Join me as we make Halloween shaped crayons, perfect to give to trick-or-treaters or as little gifts. Here are the supplies that we're going to use today, and I got most of these supplies at my dollar store. I have this fun silicone mold with Halloween shapes and some crayons with some glitter to add a little bit of sparkle. Now, if you have kids, this is a great project to use up those broken, used crayons, but my kids are older, so I went ahead and opted with new. And then I have this free printable that I will make available to you with these cute little coloring tags to add to the bags. And here are my bags with some little twist ties. For starters, we need to get that paper wrapper off of our crayons, and we can do that just by soaking our crayons in some warm water. So I'm gonna dump those. You can do this in your sink, but for the sake of the video, I wanted you to be able to see it, so I'm just doing it in a bowl. And you'll want to let these soak for just a couple minutes, but you'll see that those papers are just starting to come off. This is the easiest way to get all of those wrappers off of the crayons. Now I'm going to take our crayons out and just pat them dry. And then I'm just going to break pieces into each of the little shaped molds. And now I'm going to put this in the oven at 200 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes or until my crayons are completely melted. While my crayons are in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and cut out my tags, and you can get this download for free from my website. I'll have a link for that either in the description of this video or in the blog post. You'll be able to find it in both places. Now, if you don't have a paper trimmer, you can totally do this with a pair of scissors. I'm gonna take my hole punch and just put a hole there at the top of that tag. Here are my crayons out of the oven, and I'm going to put this in the fridge just to help it set up a little bit faster. Our crayons have hardened, so we can take them out of the silicone mold. I'm going to turn them upside down and just push them right out. Look at how cute! Our little pumpkin, and we have a ghost, a skull, and a bat. To package them, I have these little 4x6 cellophane bags. I'll just put one in there. Grab a zip tie. And a tag. We're just going to put that tag right there on the zip tie. And twist them together. And there is our little happy Halloween non-candy treat. Make sure to visit my website, thecraftyblogstalker.com, so you can grab that free printable. Thanks so much for joining me, everybody. Bye, and happy crafting.